The reason some visuals feel effortless is because the structure quietly guides everything. Today, how to create guided visual layouts. Open Canva and start with a square canvas. Insert 3 frames arranged in a diagonal flow across the canvas. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting them carefully to maintain continuity. Select the background and apply a soft gradient that follows the movement of the layout. Add thin connecting lines or subtle arrows with low opacity to guide attention naturally. Slightly rotate one frame to create movement while preserving balance. Use position tools to align everything without losing the flow. Add minimal text using a clean modern font. This guided